So here we're going to take a look at how to customize your SOLIDWORKS add-ins drop-down. As you can see, we only have CircuitWorks and Design Checker in there, but we'd like to add in some others. So we'll right-click on the Command Manager and select Customize. If we have the SOLIDWORKS add-ins bar and we want to get rid of it, you just drag and drop it into the graphics area and it will remove it from the Command Manager. If we want to re-add it, we need to go to the Command tab of the Customise menu, and as you can see at the top we've got Flyout Toolbars and SOLIDWORKS add-ins, and that allows us to drag and drop that and add it on. Next, if we go to the Toolbars tab, we can turn on the SOLIDWORKS add-ins toolbar, and you can see there what it contains. If we switch over to the Command tab, we've got a little area for SOLIDWORKS add-ins, and what we can do is customize the toolbar by dragging and dropping the add-ins that we'd like to have available there. So really it's just a simple case of customizing this toolbar, and that will also populate the SOLIDWORKS add-ins drop down. If we say OK, you'll notice that the toolbar remains in the graphics area where we dropped it, and all of the add-ins become available from the Command Manager. So all we need to do now is turn off the graphics area toolbar. That will be removed and we'll be left with the drop down containing all of the add-ins that we'd like to have.